Hello everyone and welcome to Print Smart Help. If you want to update your Epson printer firmware but aren't sure how to do it, this video will walk you through the process step by step. We'll show you two easy methods to update your Epson printer. The first method uses the Epson Smart Panel app on your smartphone, and the second method uses your printer's control panel. If you need additional assistance, you can also contact our support team using the phone number shown on your screen. Let's get started with the first method. Method 1. Update Epson printer firmware using the Smart Panel app. Before you begin, make sure your Epson printer is already connected to your smartphone through the Epson Smart Panel app. Once your printer is connected, open the Epson Smart Panel app and tap on your printer icon. On the next screen, scroll through the available options and select Firmware Update. If a firmware update is available, follow the instructions displayed on your screen and allow the update to finish completely. During the update, keep the printer powered on and avoid interrupting the process. After the update is complete, check your printer to confirm everything is working normally. If you couldn't complete the update using the Smart Panel app, don't worry. The next method lets you update the firmware directly from your Epson printer. Also, let us know in the comments which Epson printer model you're using. It helps us create more helpful videos for you. Method 2. Update Epson printer firmware using the control panel. On your Epson printer, open the Settings menu and press OK. Use the right arrow button to highlight Firmware Update, then press OK. Next, select Update and press OK again. When the confirmation message appears, press OK to begin the firmware update. Wait while the printer downloads and installs the latest firmware. Once the process is complete, you'll see a confirmation message on the display. If this guide helped you, please like this video and subscribe to Print Smart Help for more printer troubleshooting tips, setup guides, and maintenance tutorials. You can also visit printersmarthelp.com for more printer solutions or contact our support team using the phone number displayed on your screen. If there's another Epson printer issue you'd like us to cover, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.